Hey guys, it's Kira and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing another painting and I'm going to try to paint the northern lights today. I've never done a night scene before, so this should be interesting and let's get right into it. Okay, so I've already covered the canvas in black and then layered in some phthalo blue, phthalo green, and crimson. So now what I'm gonna do is just trace the lights through the photo without any paint on my fan brush. So that'll just give me a little estimate of where I'm gonna want to put the northern lights. Okay, so first I'm gonna start, I'm scared. I'm like making a big decision already. Usually we just start blending, but today we are going to start off with a big fat decision. And it's important to have a lot of paint on here so that when we do wanna start to make the lights glow, that we can really blend that out. Okay. This next one, I'm just gonna make it like, so I'll start from the middle, and then around all the way. And guys, this really doesn't need to be perfect. Nature is never perfect. There's no perfect or straight lines in nature, so don't worry too much if you feel like you made a mistake. Just try to finish the painting, and I think you'll like the results. Okay, so now I'm gonna take a little brush and just brush up to try and give the illusion of the lights glowing. Again, this is my first time doing this, I'm scared. Very light strokes. The more white you use, the brighter your northern lights are going to appear. I'm using a really light stroke on this, okay? You do not need, and you should not be going heavy because you want it to blend as much as possible, and my paint is still pretty wet, so I want to make sure I'm using a really light stroke while I'm still blending. I'm gonna take a bigger 2-inch brush and just go up the whole thing, blend the whole thing out a little bit. I'm really scared. I'm scared. Okay. Oh. Okay. Okay. Now I'm gonna mix a little bit of black, a little bit of blue, some brown, green together. Okay, so now I'm going to add in my mountain. possible. I know the mountain doesn't look like much right now, but when we add highlights, you guys will see that it's a little more realistic. Okay. Add a little bit of shadows and highlights as a guide. Do is mix in a little bit more blue with the white so that we get a darker shadow color. Oh, okay. I don't know how I felt about that. Let me just I'm gonna make a little bit more my highlight color. So now I'm going to take a dry, clean brush and just tap the bottom because we want to blend out the bottom as much as we can. So we'll just tap it out. Don't worry, guys, does not have to be perfect. You do not want your painting to be perfect, okay? It's perfect because it's your painting. Okay, now I'm just going to drag out that lighter color, blend it out. So I'm going to use the same mountain mixture and take a little bit of black with a clean fan brush, a little bit of brown, a little bit of green, blue, and mix those guys together. Okay, so now what I just did is I added a bunch of little trees and I mixed together a little bit of blue and a little bit of white. Now I'm just going to add the indication of some tree trunks. Go up very lightly. Okay, so now I'm going to add the same dark tree color on the bottom. Okay guys, so now I'm just going to tap along the bottom here, maybe create some grass with my fan brush. grab some blue, really light, and just bring that down. Down the blue. With my guys. I'm gonna take my highlight color, start to highlight the trees. This is where you're really gonna see that. Okay guys, that is much better. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys liked this video and learned something. Always remember, whether you're painting or living your life, make sure to finish because you never know how good the product might be. So we are done here. Come say hi, and I hope you guys loved this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.